Thomas Weather.
The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. How you doing? Happy Friday. It is the 4th day of August. Time as I make this is 4:09 a.m. Good morning. My name is Rich, and yesterday worked out pretty much the way we thought it would. You know, if you were with me yesterday morning, we thought that it was going to be a very hot and humid day with temperatures probably above 95. We got up to 97. We thought the heat index would be above the 105 danger range. It got to 107. We thought that the heat index, the heat advisory in West Alabama could be extended to include all of us. It was. We thought that big storm cluster would descend upon central Alabama and perhaps cause some strong to severe storms. It did. Almost every county was under a warning at one point. Even there was a severe thunderstorm watch as well. So yesterday's forecast worked out very well. Today is a little more trickier. I mean, the general idea is the same. It's going to be hot and humid with triple-digit heat indices, yes. But there's already storm clusters on the radar across North Alabama. So the deal is we're going to be seeing these southward-moving clusters of storms again, like yesterday. But when do they arrive? In other words, there's some question marks about the potential high temperature and the potential heat index because of the storm clusters would affect that. Do you follow me? So it's a little more tricky on the forecast for today, but potentially stormy at times. And it's going to be very hot and humid, not only today, but over the weekend. Down below in the graphics, you'll see the projected heat indices on Saturday, and they are brutal again. So the weekend, this first weekend of August, is going to be extremely hot and humid with more scattered, locally strong storms. For a lot of kids, this was the last weekend, right before school begins. That's hard to believe, right? Other than that, the tropics are fairly quiet right now, but in the graphics below, you'll see that there's a corridor, if you will, of tropical waves coming off Africa into the what's called the MDR, the main development region. And over the next 10 to 12 days, a lot of activity between Africa and the Bahamas and Florida and into the Gulf of Mexico. So maybe some development down the line, all right? This morning, everything is normal, including live on the radio from 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1 WACV. Watch us on TV on CBS 8 and ABC 32. There'll be another blog update tomorrow morning, the weekend update, all right? We do one on Saturday morning, and usually we take Sunday off unless there's some big deal going on Sunday. We'll take that one day off as far as the blog updates. But your forecast every day, 365 days of the year, across the dial on 8 radio stations. That would be the Blue Water family of stations. All right. Get our weather app on your phone or tablet. If you don't have it, it's going to be your best friend today with hourly forecast, 10-day forecast, radar, future radar, which is really nice, and instant push notifications for severe weather alerts. If you have my weather app, you probably heard my voice yesterday coming out of your phone telling you that you were under a warning. That is an automatic feature powered by the folks at IBM. All right, we're done. Have a great weekend. I'll see you later.
Rich Thomas Weather.